How to fix wireless display feature not working on Windows. 1. Ensure your devices are Miracast compatible. Run get netadapter select name, NDIS version command in PowerShell as admin. And make sure that the NDIS version of your PC is 6.30 or above. Check if the cast option is available in your phone. 2. Ensure both the devices connect to the same Wi-Fi network. 3. Allow wireless display feature through the Windows Defender firewall. Like this. 4. Ensure Microsoft Wi-Fi Direct Virtual Adapter IS enabled. 5. Update or reinstall the Wi-Fi Direct driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.